Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can power on and power off DJI Mavic Mini controller. Okay, so first of all you just have to remember to charge this device. On the left you can find input for the micro USB cable. Next, in this place you can find power button. And to activate this device you have to click once on this button, release, and after that just click and hold it until this indicator turns on. So let me show you how it works. When you hear this beep sound, it means that your device is turned on. And if you wonder how to power it off, just repeat the steps. Click on it once and then click and hold it. And also you will hear this beep sound. It means that your device is turned off. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.